Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Lively and positioning the app where you can see your desktop preview. First, verify the app version so features match these steps. Once done, collect the files you want, video formats like MP4 or WebM animated, GIF or static, JPG/PNG. Make a separate folder for each wallpaper to keep source files and metadata together. This organization prevents import conflicts and makes updates simple, so you won't need to hunt for missing assets later. You'll now import. Click Add Wallpaper and select the folder or the main file. Lively will detect the type automatically, but confirm whether it's video, animated, or image. Next, configure playback settings, toggle loop, mute or set volume, and choose position or fit mode. If the wallpaper uses audio or long clips, trim length or enable hardware acceleration to reduce CPU use. Finally, assign monitor targets if you have multiple displays, so each screen shows the intended app. You finish by saving your configured wallpaper as a preset so you can quickly reapply it later. Make sure to name it clearly. Apply the wallpaper and test it across all monitors, then reboot to ensure persistence. If it doesn't display, check common issues: unsupported codec for videos, blocked folder permissions, or outdated Lively version. If CPU spikes, switch to lower resolution or reduce frame rate. These checks resolve most problems fast and keep your desktop running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.